Imagine a classroom bathed in natural sunlight, high-tech equipment at your fingertips. A notification pops up from the smart education system, guiding the day ahead. In the lab, students are transported to other planets through the lens of virtual reality glasses. The schoolyard, a living lesson in ecology, adjusts temperature and light based on weather conditions. Classrooms are smart, equipped with digital boards and automated teaching systems, bridging global cultures through online exchanges. Learning a new language is a breeze with automatic translation technology. The library? It's virtual, powered by artificial intelligence that assists in research and data analysis. As the school day wraps up, students excitedly share their learnings on online platforms. This is more than just a school, this is the learning experience of 2050. Interactive, creative, diverse, and designed for comprehensive student development. Until the next class, keep learning and innovating.